I have to do something to my community world. In room 3, you know how it's supposed to be a recording studio? Well, it can't be a recording studio anymore because I have blocks that I want to use for like a space-themed map because, you know, the space update just came out and I want to use those blocks and stuff like that, like a space thing. So we had to do that. We had to clear the map and change the map to space. So we're here. We're going to go to room. We're going to change the biome. Space. 300 buck points just was spent. Oh, I'm gonna hate myself. But it has to be done. Wait, why does it have that? Why does it have the terrain? Okay, yeah, that's good. It's gonna be a hill-ish map. Now, I know I'm not good builders like the BAM winners, but we're gonna have to do this. Actually, no, it doesn't. Okay, that's good. So... Okay, let's use this block, even though it's like the smallest block. This. Oh my god. I almost threw my head. Okay, so just because I sneezed doesn't mean that that can fly. Alright, let's start with the beginning. Okay, there's the first row. I kind of want to add like something like a support pillar, you know? Like just a support pillar for like nothing. Like just a gray support pillar for nothing. Perfect. But we need to add like design on it. Make sure it looks like that it came from nothing. Like came from the air. Hey, I have an idea. We're gonna have to make this. We're gonna have to make like a little box making hide and seek. There. No. Probably put like a darker gray. Paint that white. Yeah, that looks okay. That looks alright. I mean, the poor pillar for really nothing. Okay, over here I want like a cave. You know, like a little cave. A cave would look really, really cool, like over here, like going into the wall, but not exactly going into the wall. Let me see if I own any doors that could like open to... Yeah, probably could add that. I have nothing. So I think that's it for day one. Yes. I mean day 2 of building this. My headset's low. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll end it off here with the note that we have to build a cave going in the wall somewhere right starting from right here. Block right here, 2 blocks actually. I'm gonna paint it neon green. Thank you guys for